What if I told you your lack of progress has nothing to do with luck? But here's the truth. Motivation is a lie. Comfort is the enemy. Most people stay stuck because they choose easy stimulation over hard systems. Quiet growth feels boring. That's why it works. Stay here. The final habit is the one almost everyone skips, and it's the reason most people will enter 2026 unchanged. Your 2026 self is watching. The life you will live then is being built right now. But here's the truth. It's built by boring systems you keep avoiding. Quiet growth compounds while you're distracted. Habit 1. Plan tomorrow tonight. Most people wake up in reaction mode, notifications, financial anxiety, chaos before control. The boring system is 5 minutes at night. Write 3 priorities. Direct your time or it will direct you. Habit 2. Protect the first hour. Most people poison their brain with digital junk, news, feeds, noise. The system is silence, water, stillness. But here's the truth. Calm mornings create focused lives. Quiet growth starts early. Habit 3. Daily movement. Not workouts, movement. Most people wait to feel motivated. The system is walking every day. Stress lowers, thinking sharpens. Quiet growth is physical too. Habit 4. Output before consumption. Most people stay stuck because they only consume. Videos, advice, more noise. The system is simple. Learn one thing. Write one sentence. Creation builds strength. Consumption keeps you passive. Habit 5. Weekly self-review. This is the one everyone skips. Most people drift. Weeks blur. Years disappear. The system is 10 minutes a week. What worked? What failed? What gets cut? Your 2026 self is watching. This is the winter arc, the final stretch where most people numb themselves with comfort. Or they build systems while others make excuses. Quiet growth happens when no one is watching. Don't just consume this, prove it. Comment the number of the habit you are starting today, 1 through 5. Your 2026 self is watching, and it will remember what you chose.